My name is Curtis Harrison. I'm a board-certified attorney and a partner with the law firm of Goranson, Bain, Ausley. Having tried cases for as long as I have, I like to think that I've learned a few things, and I try to carry that information forward in my representation of clients. My personal goal as an advocate for my clients is to try to find solutions that will help my clients stay out of court. What most people don't realize is that the vast majority of divorce cases that get filed in the state of Texas wind up resolving at some point by agreement. And so why would you go into the process from the beginning with a goal of going to trial? Why not hire a professional who is dedicated and who has focused his practice on trying to help you stay out of court from the very beginning, looking for creative solutions that a perfect stranger in a black robe or 12 people sitting in a jury box could never come up with. So what can you do if you're an individual facing the prospect of divorce? An analogy I like to use when I'm sitting across the table from a prospective client is just as a runner who is about to begin a marathon trains in advance before ever approaching that starting line. Do your homework. Speak with more than one attorney. Learn about the divorce process and the options available. There's actually a learning center available on the Goranson Bain Ausley website, and I would invite you to take a look at it. The first choice is the choice of the attorney that is going to be representing that individual. And the second choice is what process is that individual going to utilize. And believe it or not, you have a number of choices, a number of ways to address both of those issues. The attorney that you choose will have a fundamental impact on the path that your case takes. In addition, the process that you and your spouse choose to go about handling the divorce will have an impact not only on you as an individual, but if you have children, also on your children's lives as well. The typical way of going through a divorce process is through the standard litigation model, and that immediately pits both spouses against each other. It puts them in a win-lose or a lose-lose situation. There are other options available. Some of them you may already be aware of, but some of them you may not be. So it's important that you choose a professional who is well-versed in these alternative methods of conflict resolution so that you are able to make an informed choice at the very beginning. One of the alternative methods of going through the divorce process itself is called the collaborative divorce model. And why am I an advocate for collaborative divorce? After litigating cases for over 25 years, I've come to believe that there really is not a win-win scenario at the courthouse. Both parties are going to wind up losing something. Collaborative divorce empowers the individuals to make decisions for themselves, shared decisions. It's protected by statute, and in essence, it strips the court from any role in your divorce process. It takes the threat of the courthouse completely out of the picture from the very beginning. It enables the husband and the wife to make their own decisions alongside properly trained and experienced collaborative professionals. Why do I believe in it so much? Because I believe that there are no two people better equipped to make decisions regarding their own lives than the two people sitting at the table. We don't need a judge, we don't need a jury, we don't need others involved substituting judgment in your life. It's important to know that not all family law attorneys are trained in the collaborative divorce model, and not all family law attorneys practice collaborative divorce. At Goranson Bain Ausley, we believe in the collaborative divorce model. 75% of our attorneys are trained in it. Several attorneys are credentialed. I believe in collaborative divorce so much that I have obtained my master credentialing in collaborative divorce.